Look at that. Do you have one of those in your collection? Definitely look for one. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel, special PEZmania edition. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, I am very excited. Oh, now then, 2.6 Hong Kong IMC-7. What comes on this blue stem? Now it's a 2.6 Hong Kong. 2.6, okay, IMC-7. That's right. Removable nose, partial cheek Mickey Mouse. And this one is complete. You've all seen the video where I get a little upset where I found one with a bunk nose. But this one right here, very cool looking dispenser. Very fragile, it's very poor plastic. Here you can see the little nub. They're on the nose. Does have the correct inner sleeve. You can see the little letters there on the back of them. It's hard to make out. It looks like two backwards N's. But you'll see that on the older Hong Kong IMC-7s, the 3.4 and this 2.6 Hong Kong dispenser. This is a scarce dispenser. This is the only one I've seen like this. And see, you can see how the plastic, you can see the candy button there. So, now that you got to see that, I got to say the word "C" 100 times in this video in almost under 2 minutes. So until next time, seriously, if you got one of these, let me know. I don't think you do. You better look.